I'm Dmitry Nikolsky at Geophysical Institute, University of Alaska Fairbanks, and today we'll be making a small educational video how to measure snow depths. And why we are doing that? Snow is really important for modeling temperature regime in the Arctic tundra. So depending on how thick the snow cover is, the temperature might get warmer, or by how much, it's exactly how thick the snow is going to be. So we are here in a botanical garden at the University of Alaska Fairbanks, and one of the shortest days in Alaska, December 19th of 2023. And we will pretend this is tundra in Alaska, and this will be our plot environment. So when we are in Alaska and would like to do some repeated measurements of snow, we don't have so much reference data, reference points in tundra. So we'll set up one. So here's those sticks with reflectors on top. So we'll be putting them in our tundra environment and leave them there, and will be our reference point towards which we'll be walking towards when we'll be doing repeat snow measurements. This is our tripod, so it's sturdy and it's reflective, so snow machines wouldn't be able to hit it at night or in the darkness. So, and then we will go to the beginning of our transect, which is right over there. So when we do measurements, we always start with a logbook, a log where we store and keep our data organized. So when first we write down the date and time. Today is December 19th, 2023. And we write who is taking measurements. So it's Dmitry Nikolsky. And we write down everyone in the field. So it's Courtney as well, our videographer. We are beginning of our transect, and we put a stick, our ruler, into the snow pile. And sometimes here we don't have any freezing rain or anything, so it goes straight to the bottom. But sometimes we might have a hard layer of ice in the middle, so we have to make sure to press it down to some level, but don't force it, because there might be some organic material and you might actually press the ruler into the moss. We don't want to do that. So what we look here, the snow depth is about 13 inches. So we write down this measurement, 13 inches, in our notebook, and go to the next point. Usually in the field we don't have any ruler or anything like that, so we use our steps as a measuring device. I suggest we take a fixed amount of steps, maybe 5 steps here, but in other environment can be 15 or 20. So it will be up to you to decide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put into the ground and take another measurement. It's 16 inches. Write it down and take another 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 17 inches. Make sure to write it down. And final point. It's about 17 inches again. And then we have 4 different measurements. This is only a toy transect. So, and it would be great if some pictures are also taken, and if you have a longitude and latitude, you can write them down here. So this completes our measurements in our toy transect. In real life, there might be more points, and I would expect they would at least have some 20 points or more along your profile. We hope you'll enjoy working in the field, and always be safe. look for the wildlife, and if you see any polar bears, anything dangerous, stop working and go back to safety. Always have a plan to get home safe, and always think about the elements. The weather might be really hard and unpredictable, so be prepared. Thank you and have a wonderful day.